How to add or remove C translation option on Instagram bio. For this, go ahead and open up your Instagram application and head to your profile icon by tapping on it. So right here, you will have the C translation option on your bio if your bio is written in some other language. For an example, if you have written your bio in French or Spanish, it will be having the option of C translation to translate it to English so that other people can easily know what it is written in your bio. And it is an automatic setting by Instagram once it detects any of the foreign language. However, we really cannot decide where and where not to remove this. Now, for an example here, let me go ahead and edit my profile. Now, in the bio, I will write something in Spanish. Then I will just give it a tick mark. Now, once we head back in our profile, we will really not see any C translation option. So let me go ahead and switch my profile. So right here, if I check my profile from my secondary account, you will see the C translation option. If I tap on it, it will be translated into the English phrase of it. So it is really not up to us to decide whether or not we want a C translation option on our Instagram bio. And if you really do not want this option, simply go ahead and write your bio in a universal language. So that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.